Hello, dear friend. This is Rakesh here. You are welcome to the second master class of Text Plus in Resolve for You class here. We had already first class about Text Plus, and this will be the second part of Text Plus. You know, we are now in the updated version of the DaVinci Resolve here. For Text Plus, you have to come here. You see text. Text is it's normal text. You know, normal text which we put on the our timeline and change the all parameters of text. But this Text Plus, this is actually the special text. We can make a lots of effect using this text and make our clip beautiful. If you haven't gone through our last class about Text Plus, go and see that class was our basic class, and I have already put in the playlist. Here you see now I want to use this Text Plus. We have just dragged from here. You can drag directly here. For example, I want to use here in our timeline. Here I will drag here our Text Plus. When you just click, all parameters are open here. You see Text Plus. This is a text, a layout, this transform, this is a settings, this is a image, this is settings. All advanced settings are here. These settings are very important. You see the 1 2 3 4 5 6 tabs. Text Plus has been divided. Once we come here, just here, right here, for example, Text Plus lesson. Here I will write master class because this is our master class. From here you can change color. I want this color, so it will be visible here on our timeline. Okay, we click OK. You see here all type of parameters is available here. As we come to setting, we just play here. This here we had already in the last class how can you use size trackings, v anchors, all these tab spacings. Here we have learned in last class. This advanced settings. We come here directly to our layout. Here layout is very important. Here we have, here you see type, center. We put from center. From here you can put anywhere from center, and here you can x, y, up, down. You can click here. You will learn. From here you can size, decrease, increase. From here you see decrease, increase. I want to down. I want to put down text here. Respective, when we will have more, we will use here setting, then we will use respective, and everywhere you can use a keyframing in your text. From here you can rotate your text. You see rotate x, y, like a beautiful rotation will start here. Y in the same way we will rotate when we will start rotating. And I put here just here in default. Here this diamond point everywhere is a default. You see here this is a default. This is Z. You will click in this way, in Z direction it will rotate text. We will animate with keyframing. It will be very beautiful text. It will start. You can use background from here. You see hey, this is a background, and we can take any, for example I take this background. It will be like this background. In our background you see red background, and we can keep framing actually this background. This will be very beautiful. Keep framing and increase, decrease redness. From here you see will be like this, and it will start like this. In this way we can use this background. For this is blue, we can RGB, you can adjust RGB, red, blue, green. This is the work of this background. And when come to alpha, you see alpha will be more, it will make it deeper, it will be lighter. You see here background will be lighter, deeper here in this way. Really this is the work of this alpha. And when we come here, background text size, you know, here you can increase, decrease size. From here we have learned this. Now perspective will work, because you see here in this way, because we have already touched the here all these parameters. Now you can use perspective here. You can make like bigger, more adjustable. It will work. It's a perspective is same like size, but it's when you will touch all these rotation points, background, and it starts working. In this way we can actually put here our background. When we come to global settings, we can zoom actually here. You see we can zoom background. We can zoom the background like XY position here. It's a work everywhere. From here you can adjust like in this way. So using this Text Plus, we can start keyframing. And come here, I want to, for example, I want to put red. Okay, when our text will come here, and we will start text keyframing here, and we will decrease here like redness like this, and blue will be make like this. You see here, and when our clip will be here, and we will increase our, you see here, green you can adjust like in this way here. It's beautiful like red, because you have to understand how you can use in your clips. Here you can make more alpha, you can make more. From here it will be red, will be more red. You see like background will be red from here. So once I play, see here we will start playing. And I will share this plugin with you today in front of you on in the text shop. We will learn how to use this plugin in our video clip. And don't skip any steps. All steps are very important. Go through all the steps, learn, and once you this plugin will be very effective. You see in this way it's a working actually. You can keep frame your background. You can take color. Actually this is the work in Text Plus. This you can't do in normal text. This is normal text here. Text Plus you have to, it's a very advanced class. Once you know text, how to add text in DaVinci Resolve, Text Plus you must learn, because after learning Text Plus you have to come to Fusions here. lots of things you will do using text plus. Here we will learn in the advanced class. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial for you. Without subscription, like and comment, the video can't reach to the wider audience, and can't grow. If you want that our channel uh, will be grown on YouTube, then dear friend, please subscribe the channel. Here you see, now in this way you can use this keyframing. Here you can put anywhere. Once you have clear, you can put, for example, I want to put here, I can put here, you see here, I can anywhere you can take this text plus. Now we want to learn a very important setting in text plus. In point there are the 3 point frame, circle, paths, all. When you will put like circle, your video will be like in circle. Here you see, in this way you can make a circle effect to your from here. You have to always click, you have to remember the point layout. You have to come here and click here. It will be in point, it will be normal text in point, and here it will be in frame. Your video will be in a frame effect. Here you can add z, x, width. You can control from here, width, height. You have to give background to this. See here, you have to increase background. Actually this is the work of here in background. Here for example, I want to increase the redness. Here from here we can decrease the size, width we can decrease from here, and we come to here global setting here, and we will zoom. You see, zoom, I'm zooming here x, y. You have to start keyframing for this. You will come here and start here keyframing. For example, size, width. Here from here you can add width, height you can control. Here actually this is the work of you have to see one by one, and you try, then you will understand. Now we come here, you see this point we learned. This is the normal like text. You can adjust anywhere point. Here we come here, this is actually path. I want to show you what. Once you click here fusion overlay, you see this round shape will appear here like this. You see here you have to click here like path, start keyframing here, and you can start keyframing here xy. Using this path we can actually make a route to this our video. You will this our text will go through round. We can give direction round through our video, and it makes a very beautiful effect. Comes here, here, it will move around anywhere. You have to just direct the path. Now we come here for this effect. You see here you have to always click here transform. Here you can add crop effect here, but we have to use this fusion overlay. Once you come here, you see this is the point. It will appear like this round shape, and this one point here, this arrow, and this arrow here, this will be a point here. For this we have to just come here, and you can give like keyframing, because we have to use keyframing here. And we come here, and here we just click, and we have to select path. From here we will start, because xy I want to use this to direct our mask, so that our text could move around me in this video. And I will come here and start click here. You see, once you click here this diamond point, you can animate. Now we come here, there is other more setting. When you click here, you see polygon. You can from here you can click append. It will be append, or you can draw append. It will be actually draw keyframing to your video. For example, I will just click here draw. No, you can draw like this. You see, it's a drawing. Our video will come here, our text will move like this. In this way you can draw. Whenever listen very attentively, this is very important. When we will come here, I want to make our text to put here, you can just drag like this. Now I'm drawing. See here, we will hold on this. You see this point, and we will drag like this. When our video will come here, I want to move our text like in this direction. We'll just click here, and our text will come here. When our video is here, we will be here at this point, in the frame. In our video we will just drag. You see this point, you have to click here, and here we will come here. And when now we will just drag like here, we will be here. When our video will finish here, we will just, I want to make our video here like this effect here. When our video will finish here, our introductory class about this lesson from last lesson about plugins, we will just click here, and at the last point, at the same point, we will come here, and we'll drag this point. You see, you have to remember this, drag, and you have to connect here this point. You see here this point, I will just connect. No, actually we have connected the point. No, we have directed the path how to move our text. Now our text will move. It will be actually heavy effect. No, will video will start from here. You see, we have to wait, because we have to wait for a second, because this is a very heavy effect. Now we just click here, and we see this effect. You see, now our text is moving. Our text will move around me, and it will finish here. Without wasting time, let's jump into DaVinci Resolve. Hello, dear friend. We are now in DaVinci Resolve. You see, in this way, you can use this text box. When you come here, our diamond point is here. Here, we will click here, and you see path, path polygon, polyline we use. Actually, here you can use draw. This is a click draw. It will start drawing, and you can modify copy path value. You can copy the path value. These all are advanced points. We will learn one by one. But actually, this is the main things in this class. In the next class, we'll learn more about this. Transform here, the rotation, position, setting, image. Dear friend, please don't forget to subscribe the channels and share this channel to those friends who are actually needs of such type of tutorials. In the text class, this is advanced course. Actually, we will cover all these points. Text from our last class. Please go through. Today we learned layout. Here we learn transform, how to transform video and various type of effect in text from here. And next we will add shadings. We will make like outline here. This video we will learn how to outline such type of effect. We will add in the next class, dear friend. In this way, you can marks your you can polyline your text. And this plugin will make your video editing so very effective. You see how it's running. It's not work, dear friend. Just as a promotion, I bought this plugin, and I thought that I will share this plugin with you today in front of you on the in the text shop. We will learn how to use this plugin in our video clip, dear friend. Don't